Hey guys, I'm Shubransh, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can add your own auto redirect component in your Framer websites. So if you want your users to be automatically redirected to a different URL, you can simply add this component which is customizable in its own self. You can change the timer count, you can change the message, and there are a bunch of things that you can do with this component. So let's not waste our time anymore and let's just jump right inside the Framer project. So the first thing that we have to do is open the link that is being provided in the video description. So once you go to that link, you need to click on the copy component button right here so that we can copy the component that we are going to take and paste it in our project. Once you are inside the Framer project, you can select the desktop breakpoint and press Command V or Control V on your keyboard to paste the component which we had just copied. You can align it as you want and you can see that the component is right here. So if you'll notice on the right hand sidebar, you can simply change the URL on which you want the users to be redirected to. You can also increase or decrease the counter by entering the value in seconds. And there's also a feature where you can hide or make that message visible altogether. So if you keep it hidden, it will still work in the same way, but it will not be shown to the users. Once you do that, you can also change and customize the message as you want. If you want your timer to be shown, you can just add seconds in your text within the curly braces, and that should be it. That's all you have to do to create and add this component in your Framer websites. So if I go to this link preview, and you can see that it is being redirected to the link that I had just entered in my Framer project. Now, just an additional tip that since we can hide this component altogether within our Framer project, you can design your own screens, you can design your own auto redirect screens and show it to the users. But from the functionality point of view, this will still work and your users will be redirected to a different URL as you want. So that was it for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. Please like, comment and share it with your friends. Have fun. Bye bye.